Hi, I was asked to help with question 5. Now, question 5 asks you to use the answers from question 4. So make sure you're using the correct answer. So let's look at that first one. And it's really just a case of reading, and as you're reading, replacing it with mathematical symbols. So the product of 4 and n means 4 times n. So the product of 4 and n is 4 times n equal to, and the sum of 4 and n is the n plus 4. And so that's our correct equation. Now, when you go to solve it, which is what we are asked in question 5, you've got one or two options. And it's a good question because I really needed to show you this. So everyone paying attention. So we go into calculator. We're doing the quick way using keypad, menu, 3-1, rather than cursor around with the cursor button. And then we put in the equation, which is 4n, 4 times n, the product of 4 and n equals, it's an equation, the sum of, that's n plus 4, comma, and here's what you may not have done. What pronumeral are we solving for? Not x, we're solving this time for the letter n, the pronumeral n. And press enter, and oops, just to the side there, we have n equals 4 over 3. I'll do that now manually, so make sure you remember that. It's whichever pronumeral that we use, that's what we have after the comma. Okay, so let's have a look at the problem here. So I have 4n equals n plus 4. As you can see, we have n on both sides, so we need to collect. We usually collect to the side that has most, and of course we have 4n. So to get n by itself, we first collect it, so we need to subtract n from this side, and what we do to one side, we do to the other side. 4n take away 1n is 3n. That cancels out and leaves us with 4. And here we have 3 times n, so the opposite of times it by 3 is divide by 3, and n equals 4 over 3, a fraction, just like the calculator showed. I hope that helped you and also your classmates who have come and joined us in our classroom. Have a great day, have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Tuesday. I may give you news on when the test is. At this point in time, it should be Tuesday during the double. Cheers.